Okay, guys, let's see if you can hear me better now. My audio was kind of crap because I realized I did not have the inline mic controller volume control up. I actually had it almost muted. I'm just going to keep talking because I'm trying to test this. We're not going to play on You're the Black. We're actually going to play on basically going to be my test character for getting audio set up. I just wanted to we're going to do like basically a minute worth of recording and just to see if this is if this is working. So yeah, hopefully move the mic closer to my mouth. Maybe that will help. I just want to see if it will read an MP4 because the other video didn't even record at. Oh, you've got to be kidding me! So I've got to be recording and streaming at the same time. Is that how this works? So you record and stream at the same time. Otherwise, you don't get anything. So I will try that for my next live stream and see what the difference is. This loading screen is going to take forever, so maybe I do need to do a 5-minute little video here, get into the game, play a little bit, just hear how my reaction is. Okay, we're in the game, gotta play for 30 minutes to get this daily reward. Aren't you a special snowflake? Okay, so, gameplay.
Hey, are you okay?
Faster than I'd hoped. I sent the logging camp foreman out with some water, but one man can't salvage a fire side. Find him and help him beat that.
Foreman's battling back the flames from our crash.
Gonna, like,
see if you can help him.
Your typical, like, throw one bucket on the fire animation and the fire is out. So my task works. I was actually reading online, and, wow, that is so tacky. It's a stack of logs burning. Like, at least they could have put some animation in and made it look like the tree was burning. I mean, put a fire animation, you know, path out a little spot on the tree and at least make it look like the tree itself is starting to burn. These individual logs are burning. Okay, oh, there's the foreman.
Don't just stand there!
No time for chit-chat. Help me with this fire. Like fire. Well, this isn't as bad as it looks. Give me a hand. We can save this part of the woods. Yeah, whatever. Take the bucket, fill it at the spring, then use the spring water to put out the
Fill
fire.
that bucket! Quickly!
Fill that bucket, quickly! Freaking cum bucket. It's the cum bucket, my friend. Well, at least they did an animation filling up the bucket. Talk to the... Oh, I'm going to talk to him and waste more time. Why not?
For every fire I put out,
right
2 more spring up in its place. We can't let the fire take our supplies too.
Let's see if that guy's got a little firebird on him. Yay! What'd I tell you? One bucket puts out the fire. Yay. Yeah, look at all those little fires. Oh yeah, I see fire, fire, fire. Ah! Okay.
For every fire I put out, 2 more spring up in its place.
Yeah, tell me about that, bro.
Tortoise is just down the path. Hurry! Those boars chose a bad time to go crazy on us.
Oh, I got a new skill. I got a new skill. Oh my god, I got a new skill. I got a skill. Take that. Oh shit, I already got that skill. Hey, that. That. Yeah. Yeah, fuck you. Okay. So, I've played enough of this to give me a little something. Now we're gonna hear how it sounds. Maybe it sounds better.